Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a very interesting video, but in order to get this video, you need to go back and watch the previous video. We are loaded up on the new trailer with both shat boxes. We are going to go attempt to do some burnouts at Jaxwax Street Madness. I am going to hook the Legacy by chain to the LS400 and try to do an all-wheel drive burnout. I have my doubts. I don't think it's going to do it. If that doesn't work, then we're going to unchain everything and do one heck of a burn ski in the LS400. Weather is improving. Nice blue sky. We have about an hour and a half to 2 hour ride down to National Trails Raceway. And we're going to try to do some burnouts. Well, we made it. Both cars are still on the trailer, which is good. So we have about an hour and a half until the burnout starts, the burnout competition. So I don't know. I guess prep the cars. There's not really much prep to do, but I don't know, I'll load them and warm them up and check tire pressure and we roll with it. Good thing we got here early because they decided to start the burnout competition early. So we're getting in line and I don't know, hopefully I can get some more filming, but it's kind of rushed. Here we go.
Okay, now this is a special one here, okay? Got the car that's going to do the burnout, chained to another car that he's going to drag just a little bit. Who we got doing the drag? Devin Carl. All right, Devin, pull him up. Let's get the tires good and wet.
This is nice. Yeah.
I've never seen it.
You're about to.
I'm about to get
You're about to see history.
Right home.
History.
Y'all take this pretty serious. It's all right.
Now, these two cars are not going to be pulling against each other, just so you know. This car is
right, that was it. We did it. I did at least the 3-tire burnout on the Legacy. This just roasted them easily. No problem. Both cars still run too. Like, no knocking, no nothing. So, heck yeah.
The Subaru Legacy, he drugged the Lexus. Y'all remember that? How about a hand for this one if you like it? Give me a big hand. He drugged that one. Also, he drugged the Lexus for that burnout as well. Lexus did it. How about a hand for this one? All right, very good.
That sucked. That sucked. Well, that sucks. We did not win. And I don't really know the guy that did win. He must have did a big burnout. I don't really know. So I guess we're gonna load him on the trailer. I guess. I don't know. All right, we're gonna see if it starts. Oh, look at that! No knocking, and it wasn't even overheating. Look at that. The old Legacy. So I need to take a second and appreciate the Legacy. So, give you a little background. I drove this car daily for 7 years. Never let me stranded. It's got a 25D bottom end out of a 99 Legacy. It's got 325,000 miles on it. 325,000 miles. And 275,000 miles on the driveline and the chassis. So 325 on the rotating assembly, the block, and 275 on the frickin' car itself. That's just, and it runs and drives. Wasn't overheating. It brought itself right back up on the trailer. I'm amazed. I'm surprised we have not popped a head gasket. The Lexus is sitting here idling. I think we hurt the Lexus. The Lexus is misfiring. Still runs. Oh well. There's a nice bright red light on the dash. I don't know what that means, but it's misfiring when it idles, so I don't know what that's about. We'll get it on the trailer and fix it later. A little crooked, but it'll be all right. So here is, still got some tire left. They told us to quit. We only had 60 seconds. From the previous burnouts, we were actually tearing up the track. So the Legacy, literally no tire left, front and rear. Look at that. Yeah, so National Trails changed the rules. We could only do 60 seconds. We couldn't, no popping tires because it's literally digging into their driveway. Like there are a bunch of holes from previous burnouts. So it kind of sucks. I really wanted to pop both tires or all of them or whatever I could do. So I'll take it though. Look at the rubber. All the rubber on the side of the Legacy. Pulled the Lexus up here. The Lexus is hurt. It barely had enough power to pull itself up on the trailer. Misfiring at idle, but when you rev it up, it kind of comes out of it. So I don't really know what's going on with that yet. I think our truck luck has ran out. Every time we go somewhere, literally in the last 2 years, every time we put that truck on the back of the trailer, we come home with a trophy. Not today. Rubber check. A little bit of rubber. All right, so we are gonna go walk around and get some footage real quick, and then probably head out. So the VIP area, there's not a lot of cars compared to last time. When we were VIP, this place was full. I mean, there is nobody here. Some trucks, some Mustangs. I think we're gonna actually head out. I mean, there's really not much here. So we may get some food and then we out. So like I said, there's not a lot of cars here, like show cars or anything, but there is one car that I really like and I don't know why.
I like it too.
It's this GTO. I don't know why I like it. It's just kind of sleek. It's clean. I don't know. It is a GTO, but it looks like a Grand Prix, which is maybe it's like sleeper status. They're like, oh, it's a Grand Prix. No, that's a V8.
The next day.
Okay, happy Sunday. We made it home last night pretty late, even though we left jaxwax a little early. It takes about 2 hours to get from our house to National Trails and vice versa. The old 6-liter did absolutely fantastic. I love that truck to death. Definitely the heaviest it's ever hauled. Our camper is definitely not even this heavy. I think that Lexus is a boat, and it sucked the fuel down. It's been over 15 hours since the cars have been put on the trailer, so they have time to cool down. We're gonna start them up and unload them, see if there's any knocking, pinging, dinging, if all 8 pistons and all 4 pistons are still horizontal and vertical. All right, we'll start with the Lexus first. All the warning lights. Ooh, perfect. The Legacy, got power. Oh yeah. I'm at a loss for words at this point, to be honest with you. I was really not expecting the Legacy to make it through the burnout, and like I said, it never overheated. It fired right up. There's no knocking. It sounds like, engine-wise, it sounds better than my daily.
It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
So everything is undone. We're gonna jump into Lexus and probably take it down the road, see if it's still misfiring, see if it's got enough power to pull itself. Seems like it's running all right now, so I guess we'll park it and move on. Maybe he was just tired last night. I don't really know, but it's running good today. So we're gonna pull the Legacy off and park it in front of that, and that's gonna be my new yard ornaments for a little bit, I guess. This freaking car, I just... Still runs. Fantastic. Well, I guess that's about it. I mean, we went, we attempted. We didn't bring home a trophy, but hey, it worked. I don't know what we're gonna do with those yet. I got somebody that says I should demo them, but I really don't want to put them in a demo derby and completely destroy them, because they still run and drive and everything. I'll have some fun with them. I don't know what we're gonna do with those yet. I know there's some STI and some WRX content coming up, because we're gonna get those cars out, or get the cars out and drive them around and go to shows. I have a car show coming up July 22nd. That is really, really upon us. I think now I'm gonna wash the truck and trailer, put the truck back in hibernation, park the trailer. So if you would, please like and subscribe. Please comment also. I really enjoy comments and stuff like that. So like I said, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Be sure to check out her Etsy account, The Sweetheart Design, for custom illustrations, vinyls, and t-shirts. She can make anything you want.
And use code BOOSTIN_DC on jaxwax.com for 15% off.